Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to solve a technical error problem on Omegle. So I have had a lot of situations where I can't access Omegle anymore. Whenever I try, it's always technical error problem. And what I did is I just formatted my Wi-Fi and it worked. But I have done a lot of there are some times where even if I format my Wi-Fi, it doesn't really let me access to Omegle. So what I did is I downloaded another browser on my phone. And if you are using PC or laptop or iOS, Android, doesn't really matter. Just download a new browser. Just go to your App Store or Play Store and then search for browser and then download Firefox. But if you can't download Brave, that would be good. This is Brave. Just download Brave and then just open Omegle on there. But if it still doesn't work, just go to your browser itself and then clear the cache, okay? And if it doesn't work, you can always use another alternative to Omegle. There are a lot of good alternatives to Omegle. One of them is this. I am going to show it to you. It's even better. It's even better than Omegle because I have tried both. But these you can really find a lot of people here. Like a lot of people are online more than Omegle. Just search for OMTV video chat. I'm going to add the name in the screen. And as you can see here, guys, you can do almost everything you do on Omegle, but really, it's not really Omegle, but you can do almost everything that you do on Omegle. You can do chat, you can do video, and there are a lot of people, almost good people compared to Omegle, because on Omegle there are a lot of like bad people. They are always like, you know what I'm saying. If you are using Omegle, you understand what I'm saying. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it does, please drop a like. And like I said, guys, just download another browser. It will work. Hopefully this video can help you guys. See you guys.